gold macaws. Blue and gold macaw is a famous South American parrot that belongs to the macaw family. As its name speaks, the upper parts of its body are blue-colored, whereas the bottom ones are in shades of gold and orange. It can reach from 76 centimeters to 86 centimeters in length and can weigh up to 1.5 kilograms. With a lifespan of nearly 30 years, this lovely bird is the most commonly petted macaw breed in the world. Seven, hyacinth macaws. The largest parrot species on the planet is hyacinth macaw, also referred to as the blue macaw. This giant is native to the central and eastern parts of South America and is mostly found in Brazil and Paraguay. It has a cobalt-colored skin with bright yellow rings around its eyes and beak. It can be 100 centimeters long and can weigh up to 3.5 kilograms. Despite of a good lifespan of 50 years, these birds are now officially declared as threatened species. Six, military macaws. One of the most beautiful member of this family, the military macaw, gets its name because of its green plumage and resemblance to a military uniform. This medium-sized bird is found in the forests of New Mexico and South America. Although its wild existence is declared as vulnerable, but it's still in abundance in the pet trade industry. It can be up to 76 centimeters in length and almost 1 kilogram in size. It has a lifespan of nearly 50 years and is very friendly and calm-natured species. 5. Scarlet macaws. Scarlet macaws are one of the most beautiful macaws on the planet. They are found in the Central and Southern American forests. They are primarily red with a yellow band around there. It ranges from 76 to 99 centimeters in length and can weigh up to 1 kilogram. Due to habitat destruction by the locals and capturing by the traders, this bird is at brink of extinction now. 4. Hybrid macaws. Hybrid macaws are the most versatile breed of its kind. As the name suggests, it is a hybrid of two different kinds of macaws. That's why it is almost impossible to tell about their physical description and behaviors. They are extremely social, but their behaviors may depend on either of its parents. So, in order to better understand the bird, it is necessary to learn the traits of the parents as well. Three, Great Green Macaw. Found in the tropical forests of Ecuador and Colombia, the Great Green Macaw is the third most beautiful macaw breed in the world. It has a green-colored plumage with a red forehead. It can range from 85 to 90 centimeters and can weigh up to 1.3 kilograms. It has a shorter life expectancy of 29 years as compared to other macaws, but still is one of the most popular macaw families in the world. Two, red-fronted macaw. Found and endemic only in the semi-desert mountains of Bolivia, this small macaw species is the second most beautiful in the world. There is a